These two young ladies struck gold in Greece earlier this month, and they're here to share with us their experience representing Jamaica. I don't know if it's earlier this month or in April, which this month is June. So it's a couple months ago. At the ISKA World Kickboxing Championship, they are Shakima Cunningham and Sabrina Richards.
Hi.
And they're joined by their coach. Coach, may I have no name for you. It's Jason McKay. All right, I'm good. How are you? I'm going to start with you, Coach. What kind of preparation goes into martial arts for competition as opposed to just learning the art or learning for defense?
By the time they start to actually compete on the combined team, they would already have to have been black belts. I would already have to have been national champion. So the level of preparation there's already some degree of it before. And then once they actually do make the team, then you go through strength training at the beginning of the season, getting into more technical things into the middle, and then the major thrust at anaerobic fitness, and while at the same time delivery, toughness, things like that.
All right, they enter on an average 5 international tournaments per year?
On average, yeah.
So they've been to Argentina, Africa, Spain, Portugal, recently to Greece.
To name a few, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we travel a lot.
Yeah, I mean, we know Jamaica is athletic country. So tell me, in terms of martial arts, how do we match up globally?
No, we're the best in the world in some areas. We have currently from the last World Championship, we went with 4 athletes. We got 4 gold medals and a few silver medals as well.
Right.
So generally we carry the best we have and we usually win. The amateur kickboxing, we are actually the host of the 2018 World Kickboxing Championship.
In here, in Jamaica?
Yeah, in Montego Bay, largely because of our successes in that particular arena over the last decade. You know?
Nice. Sabrina, tell me what going on. I hear say you come back with a bag of things. First of all, what was the experience like for you? Is this your first international?
No, it was my 3rd ISKA tournament actually. 2015 was my first one in Portugal where I won the first gold medal, and you know this is the 3rd time defending that title, so it was pretty amazing going back and being able to capture that gold once again.
3 times?
Yes.
She's a triple winner. Something we love, you know. You see both gone 3, you know, so everybody have gone 3. But how did you, I mean, Jamaica, on the track they know about us. When we did bobsleigh, people were like, what? So when you went there, did people say Jamaican?
Definitely, because we're a small group at the end of the day, you know, people are very like astonished to see a small Jamaican group, people from the Caribbean coming so far to represent, you know, and we're performing so well at that, so that's pretty shocking for them in some sense. You know?
Yeah. Same competitors over the years, or have you been seeing new people enter there?
New people all the time.
New people all the time. And when you go in, they say, oh Lord, this is the girl that they need to beat.
Yes, because there are some people who remembered me from Portugal. They're like, oh my God, this girl is back from Jamaica.
So you came back with 3 gold and a silver, am I correct?
No, I got 1 gold.
You got 1 gold and 1 silver. And Shakima?
Yes, I got double gold.
Double gold?
Yes.
Hold on, no, Shakima. You see your life funny because I never know say the short one got everybody. You see, so you can't judge people. So tell me, what is there a specialist area that you do that's different from Sabrina?
Well, I fight a lighter weight category than she does, as you can see, the height difference. So I would fight microweight while she will fight lightweight. Lightweight. So
the 2 gold categories were what?
Continuous sparring and point sparring.
Tell me the difference. Continuous, so just go and fight till somebody tired?
Till them tell you to stop,
fight the whole 2
basically.
minutes unless the referee stops.
Oh,
right.
So the whole 2 minutes you just keep fighting.
Right.
But what's the other one?
Points fighting.
Points fighting.
So the first person that score, the judge says stop, they call a point, and then you go again until
and points is on
2.
where you hit them?
Yes, so if you hit to the head, that's 3 points, and if you kick to the body, that's 2 points, and every punch is 1.
So look, I kill people in them head plenty.
A lot.
Oh my gosh.
A lot.
Is it even slightly intimidating when you go to competitions like that. It's a small team. I'm looking, it's a small team. So when you go as Jamaica, do you say, wow, you know, with Talawa, we're going up there to do what we have to do?
Yes, of course. When we go out there, you know, there are always persons out there who are saying, okay, she is from Jamaica, she must be tough. So, you know, sometimes like they target us, I would think.
I think though, over the last 15 years of intense traveling, both male and female teams.
So they know what to expect.
You have we know they're small groups. Because I mean, Ukraine, for example, had 150 people.
Ukraine had 150 and we had 4.
Right. But our average is better than everybody else in terms of, you know, participants and gold medals.
But what's the potential for us, Coach? I'm listening. And Jamaican people have a natural defense. We're not going to say we naturally fight. We have a natural defensive personality. And we have that kind of athletic prowess. Are we hoping to recruit more youngsters into the arts?
The sport is growing. The reality of it is that where these guys have achieved, both male and females, because we won male gold medals as well at this tournament and have won before, is that to keep winning because we're already winning. That's the thing. So now we've reached that mark, and we have over the last 6-7 years. It's actually maintaining that to continue winning. Because the more you win, well, from my particular interest, is more world championships are interested in being held here.
Yes.
And that's a big deal because when 3,000 tourists came down in 2014 when we hosted ITF one. So we go to more organizations. We beat every organization, and as we beat them, they're more inclined to come back to Jamaica. And I think that is the real benefit. In the long run, it is the tourist industry in Jamaica that really gets exposed.
That benefit, and Jamaica by extension. Sabrina, it's Girl Power Tuesday. So for the women that are watching, especially our young girls, how would you encourage them to be a part of this? What has it done for you?
I think one of the major things martial arts has done for me is to create boldness. I was very shy and timid growing up, and I think it has helped me to develop myself and to grow in that sense. And also it teaches you self-defense. Taekwondo is about self-defense, and I think it's essential for anybody to know at least a move or two just to be on the street and be more aware.
Why did you start doing it in the first place?
Initially, I have a cousin. His name is Nicholas Assad. He did it before, and also as I was a very shy person growing up, so mommy thought it was a chance for me to gain confidence.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes. And you, Shakmil? You're just lovely people.
I was a tomboy growing up, and I was out on the street playing football when one of my friends said, you know about this karate place? So I was like, okay, let's check it out. So we went there, and it all begins there at the age of 12.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So, and it also helped me to be very confident, because one time he couldn't get me standing here talking.
Yes. But you know, so you can't let me in my head in a matter. Oh, Lord have mercy. So they're going to do the demos now for me. Ladies, you're going to do some demos for me? Yes. Me, I'm going to come out of the way, but let me tell you something. If you don't let me in my head, me have to go home. Me can't manage it. Me have migraine headache. But congrats to you both. Coach, congrats to the entire team. I know this is just a representation, but for such a small group to go and be so successful speaks volumes to the program.
Well, thank you very much for having us.
Yes.
And, we're hoping that next year we can really impress in front of the Jamaican crowd. It's going to be at the Montego Bay Convention Center, September 10th to September 17th. And it's really going to be an incredible show.
All right, me and Simona come train because me want to go up. Simone, you know what? No, Philip Marvin in her head. No? All right.